All right, so we're gonna go over the plans again that we got here, my man. And so all the trusses are up. We got all the trusses up. So we know we got 10 over here, okay, of the A1s. Okay. All right. And then the A2s, we should have 17.
Right.
We're gonna go to the sheet here, which is truss A2, right?
Quantity 17.
Quantity 17, right? So how many are we supposed to have of A3?
A3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the page where A3 is. That's truss A3, and how many they say?
Quantity 6.
Okay, it matches up. So let's go to see how many A4s we have.
1, 2, 3.
3. Okay, let's see what they got. Check again.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. 4.
There you go.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
How many are we supposed to have?
4.
All right.
Yeah.
So we have those. So what we can go out and check, we can go out in the field. Let's go out in the field and do a check. We may not check them all, but we're just going to make sure we check enough. Come here. So let's start over here with the A4s. Okay. Those are A4s. How many you see up there? It's going to be underneath the truss. So how many you count inside the?
Okay.
You know you're not tall. 2, 3, 4. 4. It's 4 right there.
4.
Okay. All right. Good. That's how many we have. How many A3s we're supposed to have? Is it 6?
Yeah, 6.
Okay. Count them for me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Come over here. Nope. Nope. Start here. Come here. Come here. Start here. You see the A3 right there. Okay. Now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, 6. That's where you go. So you always start from the farthest one, and you look at it. It's A3 right there. This is another A3. Probably on that side, right there in the middle. So you know that, right? It's easy. So this is. I'm not gonna count these, but these are the A2s, and we're supposed to have 17 of those, which I already counted.
Right.
So we have 17 of those because we already checked it with this here.
Yeah.
All right. So which is good. Then we'll go over here. Actually, this is the master bedroom here. This ceiling is lower than the ceiling over here, right? So these are truss. What trusses are these?
A1.
A1s, and we're supposed to have how many of those?
1,
10.
2,
But
3,
go ahead.
4, 5, 6, 7, 10.
Okay, we got 10. So that matches up with that. So you're good with that. Now we got these girders. Now what's going to end up happening here is where a steel column is going to go.
Yeah.
And it's going to support that up there, which is right there. So that's going to be the bearing point because all that weight needs to sit on something, which is going to be a steel column.
Right.
All right. So when that steel column comes, let's go over here.
Aren't we building something up there?
No.
To hold it up?
We already got it held up. Everything is supported right now, right? So we're gonna chip this out down here. It's gonna be a 4x steel column, and it's gonna be a bucket that support. Yeah, it's gonna be a bucket that he's gonna put on the top of the steel column, which is gonna be a top plate that's gonna go up there to support that vertical. Okay, and then we can move some of the support here. So we'll come over here. Let's go over here. We're gonna have another steel column. We're gonna have another steel column right here. All right, we're gonna chip this out, and that's gonna support this edge. You see that vertical up there on the truss?
Right.
So the steel column is gonna come here, and it's gonna go all the way up, and we're gonna have a bucket that's gonna support that bottom.
Right.
Right now we got the post on here to support everything, because this 3-member right here is called a what? Girder.
There's a girder.
It's a girder.
Right.
Right. Those 3 members. That 3-member right there is considered a girder, all right? Because trusses are going into it, as you can see, right? We got the trusses in the bucket. So, but we're gonna chip this out, and we're gonna actually have a steel column to go there, all right? We're gonna have another one over here somewhere that's gonna support this end, okay? When you have a 3-member truss, what is it called?
Girder.
There you go, girder. So we're gonna chip this out here. We're gonna have another steel column that's gonna support that, okay? It's gonna be a bearing. Okay. Yeah, you see the edge here? You see that vertical right there? That's what that's going to be right there. All right. All right. So let's look at something else. Let's look at the girder part of it. Okay. Hold this page here. And what's the what girder is this? Okay. Look up. Find out what this is. G2. Look on the page and tell me where you see G2.
G2.
G2. Keep going down here. G2 is over there.
Okay, 18.
What page is on? 18? Go to page 18. Okay, turn it around. Okay, good. Now, there's always a nailing pattern for the girders. You see how you got the nailing pattern? So it's going to go here, and let's see what they tell you need to do. Okay, you see what it says, nail notes, right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so the top card, which is the top up there. You see the very top?
Yeah.
Okay, so based on that, tell me what they tell me, how many there?
Nail schedule is
One row,
top row.
Off center.
Yeah.
12 inches. So that means those nails up there should be 12 inches on center to support that up there on the front side as well as the back side. All right.
Yeah.
Let's go to the next one. What's the bottom cord?
You gotta put one row.
I'm sorry, right here. One row.
At 3.75
inches. Right. So let's
on cord.
on center.
On center.
Right. All right. So you got it on center. So those little, you see that vertical right there? That's where those nails right there. We do that on both sides. Okay. You can probably see it right there, but that's what that is right there. That right there. Okay.
Right.
That's the. Okay. Now
The web.
the webs.
One row at 4 inches on center.
Okay. The webs are right here. You see those webs right there?
Yeah.
Okay. They go like this.
Yeah.
Those are webs.
Gotcha.
Okay. Now, my bad right here. You said the bottom cord is this one right here. You see this bottom cord right here?
Yeah. One
That's the bottom cord. This is the bottom cord right here.
Yeah. One row at 3.75 on
Yeah.
center.
Right. Okay. On both sides.
Yeah.
All right. So all this needs to be nailed. So when the inspector comes, they're gonna go to this page. They're gonna go to this page. They're gonna look at what you're looking at.
Make sure everything on
Making
top.
sure. So that's why you should not fail an inspection.
All right, because you got
It's right there. You know it before they do.
All right.
All right. So same thing over here. This is now. Which girder is this? G3. Go to the front page and see if you can see G3. Where G3 at? Look over here. This is the ID.
19.
Page 19. Go to 19. And then tell me how many we supposed to have. Even though you see it up there, tell me where how many. What's the quantity? Well, you always look at the quantity at.
One.
Okay. All right. So what's that? G3.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna have one on that, but we actually have three. See, this is where it gets tricky because sometimes you got to have that because a girder should have three.
Mandatory.
Right. So same thing here. Top cord,
Yeah.
very nail notes. It tells you. Okay, the same kind of thing. Top cord is 12 inches on center.
Yeah, 12 inches. The
Okay, bottom cord is 3.5 inches on center. Okay, the webs 4 inches on center. That's how these nails supposed to be. So that's why you need to, before we call for inspection, you want to make sure that is there. A right nail.
In the right place.
That's it. That's it. It's not complicated, you know. So when people fail inspection, there is a reason. There's a reason.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you guys are doing this, you know you need to back check, fact check, make sure you get it, so we all on the same page.
Right.
All right.
Check.
Yeah. Make sure all your places clean up. Like you guys did a good job here, cleaning up everything. And then on the front part here, this is here. And these are the same thing here. We got all these trusses here, which is the entrance of the house. You got the front door here. We raised up everything now here, so it's going to give you a grand entrance. This is going to be moved out the way. That's going to be moved out the way. And then you got this particular here is going to be cut back. You see this right here? This, from where we here, we're cutting all this out to bring this up because we want the elevation of a ceiling.
Yeah,
all right.
Take it up a couple more feet.
Yeah, that's it.
Right.
Okay.
That should be, man.
All right. So I want you to know, man.
All right. All right.
I want you to know. All right. So let's keep it rocking.
People ask me, you read blueprints? I was like, yeah.
Yeah, you reading blueprints. That's what it's about. So you put those over there by the thing where we had right there. I appreciate you guys. Hey, make sure you like and subscribe if you like these kind of videos here. We're gonna get more in depth to everything. We're just gonna keep it rocking and rolling with it. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Peace.